Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna head off to Hollywood Studios because I needed to pick something up. It's official. I'm an annual pass holder. For the first time in 21 years, I have an annual pass to the Disney parks. Let's go play. It is a beautiful and cool day here in Hollywood Studios. Lines aren't too terribly wrong right now. Slinky Dog has been down because of weather. It's about a 60-minute wait, but there's lightning, so it's probably gonna be down again. I am hungry though. Let's grab some food. Concept art for a new Toy Story themed restaurant, Roundup Rodeo Barbecue. I feel like it was definitely delayed over the past year or so, so no opening date, no projected opening date. We know nothing. I do love the theming of Toy Story Land. It's super cute, super fun. Slinky Dog Dash. Toy Story Mania off to the left with a 10-minute wait. It does appear like everyone's battening down the hatches here in Toy Story Land, getting ready for impending weather, which is coming. Alright, I've ordered my food from Woody's Lunchbox. Very excited for that. Get a little bit of adult beverage, a grown-up lemonade, as it was called on the menu. But we got a few minutes, so let's ride Aliens for a Saucer. You can see Lightning Lane signage has been added to a lot of the attractions so far. 5 minutes, I can do this. The rain has begun. It's a light one at the moment, but Aliens Running Faster always reminds me of like a cross between the Scrambler and the Tilt-A-Whirl. It's raining. Here we go. We're gonna eat in the rain. It's always fun to experience new things like eating in the rain. Well, that's delightful. Brisket melt. So I was so busy eating that eating and avoiding getting wet that I forgot to film the entire rainstorm. But now it's over, and if I time this properly, I will ride Slinky pretty quickly. Slinky Dog Dash, here we come. But also, I wanted to show you the Halloween. What is it? Giant ant! Get out of here! Get away from my food. Show you the Halloween. Is that a Pop-Tart? I guess it's kind of Pop-Tart-esque. I don't like candy corn. Yep, definitely not enough filling. But the filling that is in there is pretty delicious. It's like a Nutella. There's no wait, we're going on! Oh my gosh, I'm in the butt. In the last row, in the butt, there's his tail. Hey, his tail's there. His tail's missing for a while. Holding onto my phone was harder than I thought it would be, but I did it. It seems only appropriate to wrap up this Toy Story adventure with some Toy Story Mania and get some carpal tunnel syndrome because it hurts so much. And Lightning Lane silence has been added to Toy Story Mania as well. Let's face it, friends, Lightning Lane is happening. Just deal with it. For as good as I am on Buzz Lightyear, I'm terrible at Toy Story Mania. Just terrible. Although I did win the car, so there's that. Apparently the rain just didn't want me to play today, but it was a really good day. I got to spend the short amount of time I was here in Toy Story Land. I ate, I rode all 3 rides, including Slinky Dog. I didn't get overly wet. The wettest I got was from the walk out of Toy Story Land in my car. But guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep coming back for more videos. We love you so much. Thank you for being part of the Neverland family. Ooh, I said Neverland. Part of the Neville Land family. I don't know if you saw the shirt or not, but I got a shirt. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. Thank you for being part of the Neville Land family. Yeah, all the things, guys. Thank you for your time and attention, and it's a good day to have a good day. We'll see you next time.